your feathers?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Now, don't forget the nice wrist movement we've been practicing. The swish and flick. Everyone, swish and flick.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm what?
A wizard. That's something good tonight, wait. Does you trade up a little?
No. You've made a mistake, I mean...
Expecto Patronum!
If you two don't mind, I'm going to bed. For either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed. Or worse, expelled.
So I have priorities.
We're going to take someone's fire. Besides, I'm saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Stop.
Wingardium Leviosa.
You're a wizard,
Now,
Harry.
today we will be transforming animals into water goblets. Like so. 1, 2, 3.
Swish.
As for you two gentlemen, I just hope you realize how fortunate you are. Not many first-year students could take on a fully grown mountain troll and live to tell the tale.
I can teach you how to bewitch the mind. I can tell you how to bottle pain, brew glory, and to stop her in death. I can teach you how to bewitch the mind. I can tell you how to bottle pain, brew glory, and to stop her in death.
An evil little cockroach.
Hermione, no! He's not worth it.
If you two don't mind, I'm going to bed. For either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed. Or worse, expelled. Who's going to do this? That felt good. If you two don't mind, I'm going to bed. For either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed.
Not good. Brilliant.
If you two don't mind, 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 I'm going to bed. If you two don't mind, 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 if you two don't mind.
So I have priorities.
We're going to do voiceover for the how-to video. And then
You're a wizard.
What's it called? Did you think of a name for it?
We'll do that. Can you put up my container so we can do it? What's that painting with the bridge over it?
You're a wizard.
Monet?
It looks like that river with the flowers in it, so Flower River.
Perfect. Yeah, you can name it Monet. I'm pretty sure